So this question is asked in GATE EC 2014. Circuit diagram is given and find current through 1 kilo ohm. So current through this branch, this 1 kilo ohm resistor, we have to find out. This is current source, this is also current source. Current source in parallel with resistor. This is also current source in parallel with resistor. So I will use source transformation method. Source transformation. By using source transformation, we can convert a current source I with parallel with voltage source R into voltage source in series with resistance, where V is nothing but IR and R, that is in parallel, will come in series, and V is equal to I into R. The direction of current is from negative to positive. So here the voltage polarity is minus plus V and R, and now this term 10 milliampere and 2 kilo ohm, this can be replaced by current is flowing from minus to plus. So the voltage polarity will be minus plus, and voltage will have value 10 milliampere into 2 kilo ohm, that is 10 into 2, that is 20 volts. This 2 kilo ohm will come in series with this 20 volt. This 1 kilo ohm middle one remains same. This 3 kilo ohm remain as it is. 3K, 1K, 2K. Now again this 4K and 2 milliampere using source transformation. This 4K will come in series and this 2 milliampere current minus plus. So this is the polarity. So the voltage will have polarity like this, minus plus, and the voltage has value 4K into 2 milliampere. 4 into 2, 8 volt. Now it is simple circuit. So we can apply KVL in the loop to find current I. Current I is equal to 20 plus 8 divided by 2K plus 1K plus 4K plus 3K. So it is 28 divided by 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 10, 7 plus 3 10, 10K. So it will be 2.8 milliampere. Current flowing through this branch, that is 1 kilo ohm resistor, is 2.8 milliampere. By using source transformation, we can solve this example in 1 minute. There is no need to apply KCL or KVL because it will lead to very long solution. By source transformation, we are saving our time.